everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Equity Thoughts. So guys, टाइटल देख के आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये क्या है, हम क्या बात करने वाले हैं. फेक फ्रेंड्स, टॉक्सिक फ्रेंड्स, फ्रेनेमीज एंड ऑल. आपको लग रहा होगा कि फ्रेंड्स तो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, हमारे उनके साथ मेमोरीज जो होती है. एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम था कि वी वर हैविंग गुड टाइम विद देम. सो इसका क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है? So guys, the need to talk about this topic is that you've seen people going into depression, you've seen people being like sad just for the sake of friendship. So yeah, it's really important to understand that what kind of friendship bond you two people are sharing, because eventually it's a transaction, it's a two-way transaction. So today we will gonna talk about how to identify toxic friends, fake friends, frenemies, and later how to deal with those people. And later for extra part we're gonna talk about like what could be the reason for years of friendship could be broken up. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, first we will gonna talk about toxic friends. So you know very well, let's say that everyone likes to be around positivity and stuff. They would be like, yeah, my friend is someone who gives me energy. He's kind of energy giver rather than energy drainer. But when it comes to when you are a friend with someone who is literally complaining all day about anything, even it may be a small thing, it may be a big thing, he or she will gonna continuously complaining. This is what happened to me. I cannot do that. You shall not go that way, because eventually you're gonna fall into that death. So yeah, these are the kind of friends I'm talking about. They do fall into this kind of toxic friends category. I'll tell you, see, they are not bad at heart or they are not bad at individual, but at last when it comes to the state of mind, usually they will gonna approach the negative state of mind or statement, and they think that nothing is possible. They cannot do anything like that. It's impossible for them, and being friends with them, eventually they're gonna make you understand कि तू मेरा दोस्त है, तुमसे भी नहीं हो पाएगा, मत करो try. So yes guys, these are the kind of toxic friends जिनकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ. टॉक्सिक फ्रेंड के केस में क्या होता है कि कंटिन्यूसली अगर आप उनको बताते हैं कि प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट, मुझे ये अच्छा नहीं लगता, फिर भी वो लोग ना वो करते ही रहेंगे कि हाँ ठीक है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता, मेरी तो लाइफ वर्थ है ही नहीं. सो या दिस आर काइंड ऑफ ऑल टाइम कंप्लेनिंग फ्रेंड्स. अब इस पे ना there comes two categories for these people. The first would be the only friend who's like always complaining. Up to that it's okay, but the second kind of people is that the second kind of toxic friends is that like he or she will gonna drag you down along with them. They would be like कि तुमसे ना हो पाएगा, मत ट्राई कीजिए, तुमसे नहीं होगा. So there are people who will try to drag you down as well with them. So those are few of the qualities of toxic friend. Now we're gonna talk about fake friend. So in terms of fake friends, what happens is you think they are your friends, okay? So let's say that when you are at your upfall and when you are having good time in your life, eventually they will be there with you to go for a party, to have good time with you. But the moment you'll start to sing, they would be like, come on, I don't know you, aap kaun ho? So they're gonna start behaving in a manner. Now fake friends are the one who will pretend to be your friend. So let's say that there comes a moment when I need a friend, and who or she used to be a friend of mine. I used to help her a lot, but then eventually over the period of time I learned that yeah, this is someone whom I can categorize into fake friends. And guys, do not forget that whatever we are talking about, we can be one of them. Let's say it's not always necessary कि हमें कोई टॉक्सिक फ्रेंड्स मिल रहा है, हमें कोई फेक फ्रेंड्स मिल रहा है. हम भी किसी के टॉक्सिक फ्रेंड्स हो सकते हैं, हम भी किसी के फेक फ्रेंड्स हो सकते हैं. So it's very essential to identify, because no one likes to be around such people. No one likes to have toxic friend, no one likes to have fake friend. Now we were gonna talk about frenemies. When we talk about frenemies are the friends, they are kind of hidden enemies of yours on the name of friend, on the name of friendship. So with this kind of people, eventually one at the other time, probably you have gone for the quarrel or something, but eventually they choose to be your friend. Now you will have to identify their hidden motive. Now what happened with that, when we talk about this frenemies, what they're gonna do is that let's say you are having some trouble with your life. So you would be like hey, listen to me, I'm having this trouble. it's difficult for me to quitting smoking. So they would encourage you that it's okay, go, it's really cool to smoke. Girls eventually will gonna fall for the guy who smokes and all. So they will gonna lead you to the wrong path. So at some point of time you will gonna understand that no, he or she is literally driving me through the wrong door. So yeah, that is the moment you'll have to understand that yeah, this is someone, my enemy on the name of friendship. They are literally fulfilling their aim to degrade yourself. Now guys, one of the other important point I would like to talk about is that as I've mentioned before, we can be toxic friend, we can be fake friends to someone else. So take a moment, take a pause and understand whether it's you who think see, like guys, when it comes to friendship, you'll have to understand the difference. हम सोच रहे हैं कि वो टॉक्सिक फ्रेंड्स है या फिर एक्चुअल में वो टॉक्सिक फ्रेंड्स है. कि कई बार क्या होता है ना कि लेट्स से वी आर शेयरिंग इयर्स ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप. सो उसमें ना लाइक पहले तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा, बट अभी जस्ट बिकॉज आई गॉट अनदर फ्रेंड आई वुड बी लाइक कि नहीं ये तो अच्छी नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने फ्रेंडशिप छोड़ दी. सो बी ऑन दी राइट पार्ट ऑफ द हिस्ट्री. Yeah, understand whether you're leaving them for them because they are toxic and fake and frenemies, or you're leaving on the name of this tagging just because you got replacement of them. Now guys, I'm gonna talk about how to identify and how to deal with such people. So in terms of toxic friends, if they're gonna continuously go for negativity and stuff, see, sometimes it's okay to go or talk about negative stuff in your life because everyone is having downfall in their life some or the other point of time. So that's okay, that's acceptable. But continuously 24/7, that too every day in a month, that's not acceptable. That's something you'll have to think about. So yeah, at that point of time you'll have to understand. Now when it comes to dealing with such people, what you'll have to do is कि आप ना सोचो कि ये रियली टॉक्सिक फ्रेंड है. अगर है भी तो आप उनके साथ कन्फ्रंटेशन का ट्राई करो कि दिस इज समथिंग आई डोंट लाइक दिस अबाउट यू एंड प्लीज स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. स्टॉप आस्किंग टू बोरो मनी, स्टॉप कंप्लेनिंग ऑल द टाइम. आई एम योर फ्रेंड, आई एम विथ यू, आई एम गोना हेल्प यू come out of the situation, but please stop complaining. So yeah, if they are like a friend of you and they really respect you, they're gonna stop at that particular time and they will gonna allow you to help them. So yeah, that would be the first thing in terms of toxic friends. Ask them to stop with this negativity stuff so you don't have to break friendship. When it comes to fake friends, you have to understand actually they are fake friends. और see, हर बार पॉसिबल नहीं होता. लेट्स से कि मुझे एक बार ज़रूरत पड़ी कि मेरी दोस्त मुझे मदद करे, पर उसके लिए पॉसिबल नहीं था ना, क्योंकि उसके पास उसके केओस थे लाइफ के, उसके पास उसके एरेंज थे. अब मैं ये सोच के मान लूँ कि उसने मुझे मदद नहीं की थी, सो शी इज़ माई फेक फ्रेंड. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यूल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, यूल हैव टू पुट योर सेल्फ इन टू दैट प्लेस कि हाँ ठीक है, उसने मदद नहीं की तो क्यों नहीं की. हरगिज़ है कि अगर ऐसे एक बार हुआ है और ठीक है, 1 2 3 बार, हर बार अगर होता है आपको पता चलता है कि नहीं ही और शी इज़ जस्ट यूजिंग यू, then it's okay, you can be confirmed that yeah, she is a fake friend of mine. But eventually before tagging them your fake friends, take a moment, think about the situation. अगर आपको लगता है कि she could have been helped you, she was in position to help you but उसने नहीं की, then yeah, go ahead, cut loose the bond of friendship. It's okay. Or at least reduce it, reduce the amount of time you spend with them, reduce the energy you provide, or you go do after them. Now the other thing is frenemies. So guys, frenemies. अब आपके पास ना लाइफ में कोई भी अगर दिक्कत होती है, कोई एडवाइस चाहिए होती है, तो what we do, हाँ ये मेरा फ्रेंड है, मैं उसके साथ एडवाइस ले लूँगा. सो वी डू गो टू देम एंड वुड बी लाइक कि हे आई एम स्टक हियर, सो आपको क्या लगता है मैं क्या करूँ. अगर आपको लगे ऐसे सिचुएशन में कि ही और शी इज़ लिटरली फुलफिलिंग देयर एम और देयर डिज़ायर, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये तो लिटरली मुझे गलत गाइड कर रहा है. आपको उस टाइम बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऑब्जर्व इट फॉर अ वाइल, लेट्स से फॉर 1 time 2 time 3 time 4 time. Observe it for the minor and major major problems or kind of troublesome situation of your life, and eventually you'll get to know कि हाँ ये तो हर बार मुझे wrong ही guide करता है. Then you'll have to you'll have to get the verification from 2 to 3 wise person or people. Then yeah, you go and call them frenemies, because eventually they are working in that manner. Now guys, one of the alternative to save a friendship is that, see, it's okay, we can have this kind of friends, fake, toxic, frenemies and all, but you have to understand before tagging them, before leaving them, before jumping into the conclusion. So what I'm gonna suggest you कि अगर आपको कोई फ्रेंड से प्रॉब्लम है, जैसे कि मेरी फ्रेंड से बहुत अच्छी बनती थी, पर अब मुझे प्रॉब्लम है, what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna advise you, अब पहले क्या करो ना, take a pen and paper, write down all the positive aspect of that person or positivity of that person or positive characteristic of that person and negative characteristic of person. So eventually if you're gonna get the more of the plus side and less on the negative side, so you can definitely work on the negative aspect to make it positive one and to be around those kind of people. So that's okay, that works. Other thing is that take a pen and paper again, make a list of moments spent with them. So whether it was like more of good and less of bad, if that's the case, it's okay. Give them more time or space to correct their situation or to correct the bond between you two. And the other thing is that this would be you go have a confrontation, face to face conversation with your friend. उनको बताओ कि हनी मुझे ये दिक्कत है आपसे, और फिर आप बोलो कि write down things you dislike about me, कि मेरे behavior में ऐसा क्या है जो आपको नहीं पसंद है, and I'm gonna do the same for you. Now this will gonna help you save your friendship, this will gonna help you rise as a person, because eventually अगर कोई आपको आपके flaws बताता है, आप उस पर work कर सकते हो. So yeah, eventually you will be in position to save your friendship. So yeah, go try all this method. Now guys, other point I would like to talk is that कि हमें क्या होता है जब हम जब फ्रेंडशिप की बात होती है, लव की बात होती है, केयर एंड ऑल स्टफ, तो क्या होता है कि हमें ना दिक्कत सबसे ज़्यादा तब होती है जब हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस राइज होती है. सो लेट्स से कि अगर मैंने आपके लिए कुछ किया, I'll advise कि do things only to the point of time when you don't expect something in return. Let's say कि अगर मेरे लिए इतना possible है तो मैं इतना ही करूँ आपके लिए, क्योंकि इससे ज़्यादा मैं इतना करूँगी then I'm gonna start raising expectations from you and you would be like कि मैंने थोड़ी बोला था हेल्प करने के लिए, I never say to go extra mile for you or for me, then why you did that? It's okay, right? I won't gonna return anything. So yeah, they are not at fault. So you'll have to understand and you'll have to limit yourself to the help you provide to people. You'll have to limit whatever you expect, like you're getting expectations from others. The second most important point is that let's say that sometimes, not every time, sometimes it's okay to it's okay to cut the friendship. I would say rather than cutting, reduce the amount of time, or to choose yourself over that kind of friends. The reason is that let's say this one time your mother asked you to go to market and she was like, honey, can you pick a curd for me? And you would be like, nahi mama, I'm right now busy, मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ, मैं आपके लिए नहीं कर सकती. अगर आप अपने मम्मा पापा या फैमिली को उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मना कर सकते हो, तो वाई टू से नो टू फ्रेंड्स, मतलब वाई डोंट टू से नो, क्योंकि आपके पास लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम है आपकी लाइफ में स्पेंड करने के लिए. यू गो हेल्प योर फ्रेंड टू द वे इट्स पॉसिबल फॉर यू, but do not let yourself sink, do not let yourself fall down into the same dig you're trying to get your friend out of. So yeah, you'll have to understand the very important point. And the point which we're going to talk about, what could be the reason to break any friendship without any reason, no amount of toxicity, no amount of fakeness, no amount of frenemies and stuff. Then also you have seen years like friendship bond gets broken up. So the only reason or the bunch of reason could be that one of the reason could be कि उन्होंने माइग्रेट कर दिया. लेट्स से कि पहले वी वर नेबर्स बट अब वो अलग प्लेस पे रहते हैं. दैट कुड बी वन ऑफ द रीजन, क्योंकि डिस्टेंस है और फिर डे टू डे लाइफ कन्वर्सेशन पॉसिबल नहीं होती. इट डजंट मीन दैट वी डोंट रिस्पेक्ट दैट इंडिविजुअल, इट जस्ट मीन्स दैट वी आर नॉट गेटिंग इनफ टाइम टू कम्युनिकेट विद ईच अदर. The second thing can be that replacement. That's very common, right? Okay, she was a very good friend of mine to the school, and eventually when I came into college, I got another bestie. So eventually it's never good to go for replacement. It's okay, you have go new friends, I mean make new friends, but the point is that you'll have to keep them remembering in your memories, or at least have contact with them as well, because you didn't end that on a bad note, right? The third reason could be that misunderstanding. Now this is the most important aspect. It can ruin any sort of relationship. It may friendship, it may marriage life, it may anything. So when it comes to misunderstanding, you'll have to confront them. The moment you feel like कि ये मेरी friend नहीं है, ये ऐसी नहीं थी, go talk to them, tell them कि why you are behaving in such manner. Before before you were not like that, no? So have the clarification of idea, have that thing in your mind that I want to save this friendship, so eventually I'm gonna do that. And the most important point of this is that, see, friendship or any sort of relationship is all about transaction. So the transaction should be in equal amount, amount as in that if one is spending emotions, energy and the time into any sort of bond, you'll have to spend the equal amount of energy, bond and whatever. I'm not asking you to spend money, because eventually it would be more like a partying friends and not downfall friends. So yeah, but when it comes to emotional transaction, you shall equally be there with them. And yeah, before taking anyone or before cutting any sort of relationship, just take a moment, think about that, what sort of friends you have in your life, what sort of friends you want to make in your life, what are the people you're gonna reduce from your life, and how it will gonna affect you, how it will gonna help you. You don't have to be dominant, you don't have to be like I'm superior, I'm gonna kick you out of my life, but eventually choose yourself over everyone else or anyone else. So let's try to catch up next time. We'll hope you have a next day, good day. Take care. Bye bye.